At STIHL, we're constantly working on new ways to make your life easier. STIHL Connect is a cloud-based system that enables professional users to digitally manage machine fleets and work assignments. The key element is this STIHL Smart Connector, a sensor with a diameter of just under 5 centimeters, which is mounted on the tool. It can be mounted on petrol, electric or battery-powered tools, where it records and saves the operating hours while the motor is running, and transmits this information via Bluetooth to the STIHL app. It can even be mounted on non-STIHL tools too. The app is available for free for Android and iOS mobile devices. Users can then access the data via the STIHL Connect Pro portal and the STIHL app. This gives you a detailed overview of the status of your fleet of tools, as well as information such as the duration on a particular work assignment. You can view power tool availability, analyse machine usage, plan and manage work tasks with associated resources, and analyse machine data, which you can then use to optimise your daily work processes. The Smart Connector also provides information about upcoming tool maintenance, and if needed, the system can arrange a workshop appointment directly with a STIHL approved dealer. Service-related tool data can also be shared with the dealer, with your permission, so they can plan the servicing work in advance and order any necessary spare parts. This can shorten service times, so the tool is quickly ready for use again. STIHL Connected is an intuitive way to manage your machine fleet and workload intelligently and efficiently. Visit connect.stihl.com to find out more.